Happy day children. We are in the third video of the fraction chapter. In the previous video we saw about proper, improper and mixed fractions and how to convert. So in this video we will be seeing about equivalent fraction. Let us begin our class today. In today's class we will be seeing about equivalent fraction, check for equivalence and convert the fraction to simplest form. Now let us see what are equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions are fractions that have the same value. As the name implies, the fractions are equal. Though they look different, they are equal. They have the same value. Example, 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 4 by 8. All these fractions have the same value. They are equal. They are all called equivalent fractions. How to get the equivalent fraction? We can obtain the equivalent fraction by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the same whole number, or even by dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same whole number. For example, let us take the fraction 2 by 4. I multiply 2 by 4, both numerator and the denominator, by 2. So we will be getting 4 by 8. 2 by 4 and 4 by 8 are equivalent fraction. The same 2 by 4 fraction I am taking and I am dividing the numerator and the denominator by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2. I will be getting 1 by 2, and 2 by 4 and 1 by 2 are equivalent fractions. Thus, we can obtain the equivalent fraction either by multiplying or by dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same whole number. Next, we are going to see check for equivalence. How to check whether the given fractions are equivalent or not. Fractions are equivalent if the cross products of the numerator of one fraction with the denominator of other are equal. So if two fractions are given, we need to cross multiply them, and if their products are same, then the two fractions are said to be equivalent. Let us consider this fraction 1 by 2 and 4 by 8. Cross multiply the numerator of this 1 by 2 and the denominator of this fraction 4 by 8. 1 into 8, which is 8. Now multiply the numerator of this fraction 4 by the denominator of this fraction 1 by 2. 4 into 2, 8. So we are getting 8. The product is 8 for both the cases. Therefore, 1 by 2 and 4 by 8 are said to be equivalent. See here, 1 into 8 is same as 2 into 4 is 8. Therefore, they are equivalent fractions. Next, we are going to see reducing the fraction to simplest form. A fraction is there and we can reduce it to simplest form, which means we can simplify the fraction when we divide the numerator and the denominator by the common divisor, and it can be reduced to simplest form until the common factor is 1. Let us consider the fraction 8 by 24. 8 by 24. What is common between the number 8 and 25? What is the common factor? Let us see what are the factors of 8 first. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. What are the factors of 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. And find the highest common factor, 8 and 24. The HCF of 8 and 24 is 8. So if we divide the fraction 8 by 24 by the HCF, that is 8, the numerator and the denominator, we will be obtaining the simplest form or reduced form of the fraction. Or you can go step by step, like 8 I am dividing by 2 and 24 also I am dividing by 2. I will be getting 4 by 12. 4 again I am dividing by 2 and 12 I am dividing by 2. I get 2 by 6. And 2 again I divide by 2, 6 I divide by 2, I am getting 1 by 3. Now common between 1 by 3, common factor is 1, which cannot be further simplified. Hence the simplest form of the fraction 8 by 24 is 1 by 3. Or you can directly find the HCF and divide the fraction by the highest common factor. We get the simplest form. Children, in this video we saw what are equivalent fraction and how to check the equivalent fraction, and also finding the simplest form, the reduced form of the given fraction. Thank you, students.